Hello, friends. Wonderful to see you. Welcome to Circle Time. I am Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team, and I'm here today with my friend Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, friends. I am so excited for our very buggy episode of Circle Time today.
Buggy, because we are going to do some drawing of Reya's bugs. But first, friends, do you all know who Reya is?
Yeah, there's a lot of nodding. Our friends seem to know that Reya is the red panda in Khan Academy Kids.
She is. And before we get into drawing, we have a special show and tell from one of our friends that I'd love to show you. So our friend Rebecca here shared her drawing of Reya. Thank you, Rebecca.
Wow, thank you, Rebecca. It looks like Rebecca's drawn a beautiful Reya with some blue ears and Reya's signature pink, and it is looking like such a great Reya.
Thank you so much, Rebecca, for sending it to us. Friends, if you do some drawings and you want to have your parents send them to us, we can include them too on Show and Tell.
Yeah, it's so fun when we get to see your drawings. And speaking of drawings, are we doing some drawing today?
We are going to draw some of Reya's bugs because Reya loves bugs. Friends, do you love bugs too?
Oh, yeah. Lots of our friends are nodding. And I'm hearing some say yes, and they actually have favorite bugs. So Jessica's favorite bug is a ladybug.
Oh, ladybugs are fun.
Marco's favorite bug is a Christmas beetle. Have you ever heard of a Christmas beetle?
No. What is a Christmas beetle?
I think it's a very shiny, beautiful, festive looking bug.
Oh.
And what about Emily's favorite bug is a grasshopper. That's a good one because it jumps so high.
And there's some bugs that fly too, like butterflies.
Oh, yeah. I guess that's a bug too. I love butterflies. What's your favorite bug, Caroline?
Maybe a dragonfly.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I know someone who loves bugs, Reya.
And so today, Kodi's going to show us how to draw some of Reya's bugs. Here it is.
My friend Reya loves bugs. Today, I'm going to surprise her and draw some of her favorites. You can draw along with me. I'm going to start with the ladybug. First, we'll draw the head. It looks like a squished C shape. Then, we will draw a circle for the eye in front and a half circle for the eye in the back. Color the irises with black. Draw a U shape in the middle for the smile. Next, draw the antennae on top of the head. Super! Let's start the body. Draw a straight horizontal line out of the bottom side of the head like this. Draw half a circle from the top of the head down to the end of the straight line. Now that we have the body, draw 3 circles for the ladybug spots, or you can add as many as you like. I'm going to color them in with black. What color will you use? Then add the legs and feet. They sort of look like the number 2. I'll draw 4 of them. Now it's time to color the ladybug. You can use the same colors I'm using or be creative and pick your own. First, I'll color in the head. Then bright red for the body. Our ladybug is finished! Are you ready to draw another bug? A cool beetle with pincers? Draw another C shape for the head, like we did for the ladybug. Next, draw the long, curved pincers on both sides of the head, like this. They look like tiny claws. Draw a circle for the eye and color the iris with black. Then draw the happy smile and complete the head shape with the curved line like this. It's antennae time. We can draw them just like the ladybugs. Now start on the body. It's a similar shape to the ladybug, just longer and skinnier. This beetle has wings, so draw these lines on its back to show the wings are closed. Last are the legs and feet that look like the number 2. I'll draw 4 again. Time to color! I want my beetle to be blue, and I'm going to use 3 types of blue. What colors are you going to use? The beetle is done. I'm going to draw one more bug. Can you guess what it is? It's a butterfly for Reya. Draw an oval for the head this time, and 2 circles with smaller circles on the insides for the eyes. Don't forget the smile. This butterfly has antennae with fun curls at the end. Now draw another circle under the head to start the body. Then draw a long oval under that circle. The body is done. Next is my favorite part, the wings. This butterfly has 4 wings. The top wings look like hearts. The bottom wings are like ovals. Draw the same heart and oval shapes on the other side of the butterfly's body. Butterflies have fun patterns on their wings. Let's draw those next. Here's where you can use your imagination and be creative. Or you can follow along and draw the same shapes as me. First, I'm going to draw a large oval in each top wing like this. Then a triangle and 2 small circles, and another triangle. For the bottom part of the wings, I will draw 3 circles, 2 small circles, and 1 bigger circle in the middle. Finally, it's time to color the butterfly. I'll color the body pink. And for the wings and patterns, I'll use bright colors, like yellow and orange. You can use so many different colors here. The butterfly is done. Wow, I love how all these bugs look. I can't wait to show Reya. How did yours turn out? Thanks for drawing bugs with me today.
That was fun to learn how to draw Reya's bugs. Friends, did you have fun doing that?
Yeah, I think our friends did. They just want to keep drawing Reya's bugs. That was so much fun.
Now I'm going to show you Reya's room inside of Khan Academy Kids.
Wow, what a treat. Thank you, Caroline. While you get that ready to show us, I might share with our friends that all of our characters have a room on Khan Academy Kids. And when we do activities and our friends, Olo and Reya and Peck and Sandy and Kodi get treats and things that they like, they get to put them in their room. So now we're going to go on a little tour, and I think we're going to see Reya's room. What could be in there?
That's right. Let's go inside Reya's room. Here at the bottom, you can see Reya.
Oh, hi, Reya.
Welcome to my room.
tap on my bug habitat so we can explore.
Great, so let's go into her bug habitat in her room.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, looks like there's a bumblebee.
Oh, I've seen a lot of bumblebees lately.
Mm-hmm. And a butterfly, and here's a dragonfly. I was talking about dragonflies earlier.
Oh, I can see why that is one of your favorites.
Mm-hmm. And there's some different little beetles in here too, with different colors.
That's a very bright beetle. That looks a bit like a Christmas beetle.
Oh.
And a brownie orangey beetle.
Ah, and we can move them in the habitat.
Wow.
Yes.
And they're just flying around and they're all doing their thing. I love Reya's bug habitat. A habitat is a place where something lives.
And Reya loves to collect bugs. Yes, so thank you, friends, for drawing with us today and learning about bugs with Reya. We hope to see you again next time, but right now we have to say goodbye. Good to see you. Goodbye for now from Khan Academy Kids.
Bye.